Hi, happy Friday. If it's Friday, it's video time. First, let me start by thanking everyone for their kind words of encouragement, positive comments, and I'm really excited by all the views my videos are getting. I really hope that I'm helping to build your awareness on ethical traps and to help you protect your reputation and, most importantly, help you hold on to your license. So this week, I want to talk about succession planning. It's a big issue in Illinois right now because the Illinois State Bar Association has a proposal to the Illinois Supreme Court to make succession planning a requirement for Illinois lawyers. So you might be thinking, well, what does that mean, succession planning, and why do lawyers need it? Well, first let me say everybody needs succession planning. We're really talking about a smooth transition from one person to the next person. So think about like a nonprofit organization. They'll have a founder in place for over 30 years. And if they don't have any plan for that person's successor and that person becomes incapacitated or suddenly passes away, the organization is in chaos because no one really knows everything the founder was doing. So it works the same way with lawyers, and in particular solos and small firms. Give you a really sad example, but to underscore the point, lawyer gets sick unexpectedly, cancer diagnosis, chemotherapy, hospital bills, no one watching the firm. So what happens when the clients call? They can't reach anyone. No one's answering their calls. Nobody knows what's happening with their cases, and they wind up filing a complaint with the ARDC. And so now this lawyer is sick and in danger of losing their license. A lot of this can be avoided, or at least the risk can be reduced if you have a succession plan in place. Think about it like a will. Right? We all want to have some protections for our families in case something happens to us. Well, you should want some protections for your clients in case something happens to you. And so one of the first things that you could do, which is just, kind of a recommendation, is, find out or identify someone who you would trust to take care of your clients if for some reason, unexpected reason, you couldn't, right? I mean, this is just good planning. We don't want our loved ones to be saddled with the responsibility of going through our practice and finding out who our active cases are. But in fact, that happens a lot. The grieving widow is the person that's the only person there to find out what's happening in the practice. So you can reduce reduce this risk, right? By basically having a backup. Assigning someone or designating someone that can look after your practice in the event that you are not able to do that. So I'll keep you up to date on what's happening with the Illinois rule. You should check to see what's happening in your jurisdiction. It is an important rule, and it's something we have to think about to protect our clients and to protect our legacies, right? Because that's the other thing. You don't want to practice for, have a full, wonderful career and it all falls apart at the end because you got sick. So please be safe. Take care of yourself. Have lunch with a colleague, someone that you like and you trust that you think you could pass your cases on to, and maybe you can mutually be each other's backup plan. So this is my message for this week. Think about it. I know it's not the greatest topic, but it's an important one. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.